Welcome to the training tutorial covering how to commission your devices into Zentra. Whether it is the control lock or a Wi-Fi device like the NDE, LE, or CTE, this video will teach you how to add those devices to Zentra. We will start by showing you how to commission a control lock, which is an offline deadbolt. To commission the control lock, you will need to open up your Zentra app. Once logged in, Zentra will open your device list and look for any devices in range. As you can see, I am not currently in Bluetooth range of any of my previously commissioned devices. Select Add Device in the top left to start the commissioning process. Select Control Lock as the device you will be adding. Now tap the Start Download button to continue. In this step, we will give the device a name. You can name it whatever you would like, as long as it is not a duplicate or over 20 characters. Zentra searches for uncommissioned devices. Select your serial number when you see it. Your device will now flash red. Your lock will look like this, which means it is paired and ready to commission. In the app, select Yes, it's blinking to move forward. Your lock is commissioning. Stay in Bluetooth range. This only takes a few seconds. When you see the success screen, you are all done. Now hit Finish to return to your Device tab. Now that we are on the Device tab, let's hit Refresh in the top right to discover the device you just commissioned. Now we see the device. Let's click on it to view the device information. Here we can see things like the firmware level and the serial number, as well as the ability to sync the device. That completes our tutorial for commissioning a control lock into Zentra. It really is just that easy. Now we will shift our focus to commissioning a Wi-Fi capable device, which is very similar, but just a few added steps. Now we are back in the Zentra app. Let's select Add Device in the top left. For this example, I will be commissioning an NDE. Let's select that device type. Now hit Add New Lock. Just like with the control lock, you can name this device anything you want as long as it's not a duplicate or more than 20 characters. Now we have the opportunity to add a network to this device, which is not a requirement. However, if you want the device to do Wi-Fi check-ins, you will need to add a network either now or after the device is commissioned. You simply select the security level and input the name and password of the network. Now Zentra will display the serial numbers of any devices that are uncommissioned. Select the serial number of your device. Your device will now begin to flash red to show it is commissioning. Now select Yes, it's blinking in the Zentra app. Zentra is now finalizing the commissioning. Please ensure you stay within Bluetooth range of the device. Your device has successfully been added. You can now hit Finish. Now that your device is added, select Refresh in the top right so that your device appears in range. You can also search for the device by name to locate it quickly. Once paired with the device, you can see the device's information. For example, you can see there is a new firmware available, and I could take this opportunity to update it to the latest. Now we will quickly show you how to configure the Wi-Fi check-ins through the Zentra web app. Once you are logged into Zentra, navigate to the Devices section. From here, look up the device you just commissioned by typing its name in the name filter. Once identified, select the 3 action dots on the far right, and then hit Edit Device Settings. Now we can scroll down to check in settings where you can see how often and when your device is scheduled to check in. You can change the frequency by choosing an option from the drop-down, but we do not recommend it as the more it checks in, the more it impacts battery life. You can also tell Zentra at what time in the day you would like the device to check in. Once you have made any changes, be sure to hit save and continue. And now you are all done. If you have any questions, reach out to your Zentra support team, and we will be happy to help.